Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin immediately. Measure 1 cup granulated sugar and 4 cups potable water because the correct 1:4 proportion mimics floral nectar. Bring the water to a gentle boil. This dissolves the sugar fast and kills microbes. Once boiling, remove from heat and stir in the sugar until fully dissolved. Make sure to avoid additives like honey or sweeteners that harm birds. After the sugar is clear, let the solution cool to room temperature before filling your cleaned feeder. Once the syrup has cooled to room temperature, strain it through a fine mesh or coffee filter to remove any undissolved crystals or particles. You should pour slowly to prevent aeration. Trapped air can accelerate spoilage. Make sure to refill the feeder in a shaded spot to slow fermentation and reduce temperature spikes. Refill only as much as birds will consume in 3 to 4 days, because fresher nectar prevents mold and keeps hummingbirds healthy. Finish by placing the feeder back where hummingbirds frequent and note a maintenance schedule. Change nectar every 3 to 4 days when warm and up to 7 days when cool. If the mix turns cloudy or smells off, discard it immediately. Do not attempt to salvage. Make sure to clean the feeder with hot water and vinegar or mild soap, rinse well, and refill with fresh 1 cup sugar to 4 cups water. If mold appears, deep clean thoroughly and start over to protect the birds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.